Hello, today we are going to discuss some of the numericals of the first chapters, electric charge and its field. The first question is, when a body becomes negatively charged, mass of the body, the correct choice is increases. Mass of the body increases. Negatively charged means body gain electrons. Negatively charged means excess of electrons. That means when a body becomes negatively charged, number of electrons on the body is more than that required for its neutrality. Since electron possess a small mass, maybe it is very small, but when the body gain electrons, mass of the body increases. Question number 2. A body can be negatively charged by giving excess electrons to it, removing some electrons from it, giving some protons to it, and removing some neutrons from it. Neutrons is an uncharged particle, so therefore this is not possible. By giving some protons, we cannot touch the proton. Okay, we cannot touch the proton. They are inside the nucleus. So a body can be negatively charged by giving some excess electrons to it. So correct choice is choice A. Question number 3. A positively charged glass rod is brought near an uncharged pitch ball pendulum. The pitch ball is, the correct choice is D, attracted towards the rod, touches it and then thrown away from it. Okay, why it is like this? Why it is like this? This is the pitch ball. This is the pitch ball. It is initially neutral. As soon as the positively charged rod brought very close to it, so this is the rod, this is the ball. So what happens? Initially induction occurs. Due to these induced negative charges. It is attracted initially. And after some time, what happens? This glass rod, this positively charged glass rod, this pitch ball is attracted here, touch here. When it touch, entire pitch ball get positively charged. Therefore, after that, it gets removed. It gets removed from it. Is it clear? What is the question? When a positively charged glass rod is brought near an uncharged pitch ball pendulum, the correct choice is D. Initially what happens? As soon as the pitch ball comes very close to the positively charged glass rod, induction occurs. Due to the induction, negative charges induced here and positive charges induced here. This negative charge is called bound charge. Due to the attraction of this negative and positive, the pitch ball comes very close to the glass rod and then it touches it. When the pitch ball touches the glass rod, these negative charges get neutralized and some of the positive charge move from glass rod to the pitch ball. As a result, both of them get positively charged. We know that similar charges repel each other. Therefore, after that, pitch ball gets separated from the glass rod. So therefore, correct choice is option number D, attracted towards the glass rod, touches it and then thrown away from it. Question number 4. The number of electrons forming 1 coulomb of charge. So this question can be done from the principle of quantization. Q is equal to Ne. So N is Q by E. Charge is 1 coulomb. What is the charge on electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So if I do this calculation, then N is 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. That means number of electrons forming 1 coulomb charge is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. So our correct choice is choice C. Question number 5. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, charge acquired by the glass rod is positive. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, the glass rod acquired, the charge acquired by the glass rod is positive and charge acquired by the silk is negative. ইয়াত আমাক সুধিছে what is the charge acquired by the glass rod? It is positive, so choice is A. Next, question number 6. The dimensional formula of permittivity of free space. Dimensional formula of permittivity of free space. So this is epsilon 0. What is epsilon 0? What is the unit of epsilon 0? It is called permittivity of the free space. It is Coulomb square by Newton meter square. If we know the unit, we can find out the dimension. What is Coulomb? Coulomb is unit of charge. So what is dimension of charge? A1 T1. Coulomb square, so therefore this is square. What is Newton? Newton is SI unit of force. So what is dimension of force? M1 L1 T to the power minus 2. Meter square, মানে distance square. Dimension of distance square is L square. So this is the M to the power minus 1, L to the power minus 3, T to the power 4, 8 square, A square. This is A square. So dimensional formula of epsilon 0, permittivity of the free space, is M to the power minus 1, L cube, L to the power minus 3, M to the power minus 1, L to the power minus 3, T to the power 4, A square. So correct choice is choice A. Next question, question number 7. The minimum value of charge that a charged body can have. Minimum value of charge that a charged body can have. This is the charge on electron. It is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. From the quantization of electric charge, we know that the minimum charge a body can have is the charge on electron, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So therefore correct choice is choice B. Question number 8. Coulomb force between two charges varies with distance between them. Coulomb's force between 2 point charges varies with distance between them as F proportional to 1 by R square. It is also called inverse square law. What is Coulomb's law? We know that Coulomb's law is equal to 1 by Coulomb's law in SI system is written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. Therefore, Coulomb's force varies with 1 by R square. This is called inverse square law. This property is called inverse square property. So therefore correct choice is D. Question number 9. When distance between two charged particles is doubled, the force between them. When the distance between two charged becomes double, distance between them. So this is the question number 9. F dash by F. Initially distance between the two charges is R, and finally distance between the two charges becomes twice R. Okay, so this is Coulomb square. So 1 by this is get cancel, Q1 Q2 get cancel. So it is okay. That means when distance between two charges becomes double, force between the two charges becomes 1/4 of the original force. When the distance between 2 point charges get doubled. So this is the final force. This is the initial force. Initially distance is R. Finally distance is twice R. So therefore final force by initial force. This is F dash is F by 4. So correct choice is A. That means when the distance between two charges is doubled, force between them becomes 1/4. Question number 10. The value of dielectric constant of a medium, it is the choice B, decreases with rise in temperature. When the temperature increases, the value of dielectric constant decreases. Question number 11. So in previous question, the correct choice is choice B, decreases with increase in temperature. Question number 13. The question number 13